Alright guys, today we're going to be installing this full boost steering wheel that I won from Moore Motorsports Garage. Super cool. First thing I've ever won in my life, I think. So, really excited to put this in. And just to give you a quick close-up of the quality, this thing feels nice. It definitely feels like good quality. I've honestly never bought one before. The wheel I have in my car currently is an energy wheel, but definitely want to put this in because this is sick. And it has the John 316 on it, so it goes well with my Jesus Save sticker and all that on my car. So yeah, perfect match. Colors are perfect for my car, which is very ironic. And don't mind it's a little dirty because it's just been sitting in my garage for like a few weeks now. So first I'm just going to push the Civic out here quick so there's a little more room to work with and a little better lighting. And I'm basically just swapping the wheel out because I already have an aftermarket wheel in this. So yeah. This energy wheel, if you don't remember, or if you're new to the channel, I actually got this for free. I bought a RT 4-wheel drive Civic wagon to flip, and it had brand new stuff in it, but it was like an anodized blue, so I just plastic dipped it black, so it looked a little better in my car. You can see where the plastic dip kind of came off from the screws going in, where it's that blue color, but yeah, it works good, but this one's way cooler, so I'm going to swap that out. And then we'll go for a test drive because we've got to make sure VTEC still works after putting new parts in. So the only thing I might have to do is change one of these to fit that wheel because this is an energy quick release hub, and this has two male ends of the spade connectors, and this is one female, one male for the energy steering wheel horn. So I might have to swap that out. I'm gonna make sure it works. This, long story short, the horn that was on here, the guy cut the wires, and then I bought a new horn, and this one like intermittently works. So I don't know, maybe there's something wrong with this anyways. So I'm gonna test that off camera and then see, or go from there. All right, so I just have the contacts touching right now. The one is on, but the other one that's a male is just touching. Horn works every time. So that new button I bought off eBay, the energy one, was broken when I got it. Alright, got that end swapped out to a female, and we'll make sure this still works. Yep, still works. Alright, so I'm an idiot. I have these wires flipped, so yellow is supposed to be in the middle, black's supposed to be on the outside, because I was putting this in, and when that was touching, it would start blowing the horn. I was like, what the heck is going on here? So I guess you don't have to run the ground. This has to be in the middle. That's positive, but it's just, it works like this because that's not grounded. I don't know. Horns are annoying, but this is just a fancier button than the energy one. So I'm going to flip the wires, or actually, I don't have to run this one at all. So I'm going to take that wire off, flip that one over, and then see if that works. Alright, so I'm just going to be Ricer and run no horn because this is taking way too long. But what's happening is, it's probably because I'm using an energy hub with their product or something, but this grounds it out. Like if I put it here and hit the horn, it works. But as soon as I put it inside the bore of this, it pushes it out. It pushes this little metal piece too far, and it loses contact in there. So then the horn doesn't work when it's inside the hub because it's just popping that off too far. So I do not want to keep dealing with this because I have other stuff I got to get done today. So I'm just going to run it with no horn. Alright, let's go for a quick little rip. I also got to take back those junk spark plug wires that are in my Chevy. I also need to run the rest of the gas out of the car because this is 91 with ethanol, and I got to put ethanol free in it to store it for winter because It is getting snowy out here. But I'll probably do that in like another mountain run video if you guys want that, because I don't feel like driving that much today. I'm tired, and like I said, gotta get all this stuff done. I just found a spot to take some pictures quick, and then we'll actually go hit VTEC on the highway, because I don't want to do it in the residential area, too many people. Alright, let's go hit VTEC. Actually, I have a lot less gas than I thought. It was because my car was parked at an angle in the driveway, so maybe I won't have to go for a mountain run. The battery is about dead, though. Alright guys, back at the garage. So overall, I love the feel of the wheel. It feels sturdy, like a good quality wheel. It doesn't feel like some Chinese thing where it's all flexible. Like it feels nice. And I love the suede. I know you're supposed to have suede gloves or whatever with the suede steering wheel, but I don't have those, and I barely ever drive the car to begin with, so I'm not really worried about it. But yeah, look at that thing, man. It just goes so good with the rest of the car. Let me know in the comments below if you think that is like the perfect wheel for my car, because it's just, I don't know, I love it. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed, I appreciate a like, subscribe if you want to stay up to date, builds and the projects, and follow along on my Instagram, Kanjo_brothers, if you want to see more details and posts on there and whatever. I do giveaways and whatnot. But as always, thanks for watching.